Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to draw a custom sized title block in Autocad. By the end of this video, you will know how to create a professional title block in any paper size you need, whether it's A4, A3 or any custom dimension. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to draw the outer rectangle that will serve as the boundary of our title block. For this tutorial, we'll be creating an A4 title block. An A4 sheet has standard dimension of 210 millimeters by 297 millimeters. So we will use those measurements to draw our rectangles. Since I will be creating the title block in landscape orientation, I will use the dimension 297 millimeters by 210 millimeters. To do this, select the rectangle command. Draw your rectangle. So here we are going to input the size. 297. Tab 210. Enter. So this is the outer rectangle. Okay, now we are going to offset another rectangle inside this. Offset 500. Okay, now we are going to explode this inner rectangle. You press Command X, click on the object, enter. So can we see? Now I'm going to offset 5,000. Offset. Now I'm going to space it 5,000. 5,200. Going to do the same here. Then trim the unwanted lines. Now we are going to name the spaces. Text. As you can see, our text is too small, so to increase it, click on it, highlight the text, Then you can change the dimension here. The size. You can change the size here. Let me see. So seal. Here we're going to input the sheet number. Here we have the scale. Here we're going to have the date. Here we're going to have the consultant. Sheet name. Projects. Clients. And finally, notes. So we can change the size. So that is how we draw our title block on Autocad. Now I'm going to teach us how we can make it into a block in which we can import into our drawings. Okay, so we'll win W, enter, pick a point. Okay, now select object. We're going to select all, enter. You can change the name to title block. Then you click OK. So now it has been made into a block in which we can input. Insert blocks. Can we see? It's right here. When you click on it, you can input it. So it can be inputted. So if you have a drawing in which you want to draw, if you have a drawing in which you want to place your title block, you just input in, right? So thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.